A deadly second wave of the COVID-19 pandemic rages on in India, and with it, the challenges of securing life-saving medical resources. Indeed, as people desperately look for verified information to locate hospital beds and find oxygen and other such resources, one tech innovation, which is a WhatsApp chatbot called Introbot, is fast becoming the go-to resource for instant, verified, pan-India leads. Introbot was built by entrepreneurs Divyansh Anuj and Utkarsh Roy, and their COVID chatbot is being powered by a team of 400 volunteers and collaborations with initiatives like COVID Citizens and others in the Indian startup ecosystem. By sharing real-time verified leads on everything from hospital beds to oxygen, plasma, medicines, and other much sought-after COVID resources, Introbot is helping those on the ground save precious time and precious lives. So how can someone looking for information use Introbot? Well, all you need is a WhatsApp account, and then you can add the Introbot COVID chatbot number, which is +1 234 517 8991. To this, users can start by sending a WhatsApp message saying COVID. The bot then responds asking you to specify what you need in X and Y format. What this means is you'll need to type in the resource you're looking for and the name of the location. For example, you can ask for leads for an oxygen bed in Delhi or plasma in Meerut. The bot then sends you a verified lead of a supplier whom you can contact. If you find the resource helpful, you can send a message saying you found it helpful. If not, you can respond saying otherwise, and the bot automatically shares another verified lead with you. Through this way, the Introbot team is able to verify information real time and then share updated relevant leads with those who need it the most. Indeed, as the Introbot team told your story, enabling information democratization will be critical in the mission to save millions of lives amidst this pandemic.
The problem that our country is seeing right now is that some people have a lot of access and other people who don't. And that has been seen across medicine supplies, across vaccine, across information, across access to doctors and so on. We want to change that. We want to make sure that we can impact at the grassroots.
And that's exactly what Introbot has been able to achieve in just the first week of its launch. In 7 days alone, Introbot has helped over 500,000 people on the ground, of which at least 20,000 have said they found the leads helpful. In this way, Introbot has helped save thousands of lives, all thanks to the contributions of a passionate team of volunteers and of like-minded initiatives and organizations like COVID Citizens, COVID FYI, Fireside, WakeFit, School of Accelerated Learning, Indian School of Business, and several others.
We understand that time is of essence right here, because every minute we are saving lives. So everybody is working 24/7, and we all have our backups. We're constantly churning out code, tech innovation, and also doing constant outreach efforts. And this is just the start. This is the first week, and our mission as a group is to save 1 million lives at the very least by end of this month. And we are all gathering our horsepowers, our resources, our intellects, our skills, our friends and family to be able to be ready for the big wave and the peak that is probably coming up in mid of June or July.
This massive preparation includes efforts being made to launch several other technological innovations. One such innovation is providing vernacular support to help people beyond the Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities. Another is on crowdsourcing leads from Twitter and passing the information being shared in various form factors on social media. Still, as the team races against time to fight the COVID-19 crisis, there's more that can be done to help as many people as possible and to do that as quickly as possible. For this, Utkarsh tells your story, everyone will need to come together.
Through your platform and through your channel, would love to tell people that we are looking for more collaboration, more funding, more volunteer support, more tech capital. So if they want to reach out, we are available at our Twitter handles and LinkedIn handles. So happy to kind of channelize the right resources and give them the right direction, connect with the right people as to how we can all work together.